Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Ford Fiesta oxygen sensor. First, gather your tools. You will need an oxygen sensor wrench, a soft wire brush, and a specialized oxygen sensor cleaning spray. Safety is paramount, so make sure your engine has completely cooled down for at least 2 hours before you begin. The oxygen sensor is usually located in the exhaust pipe, either before or after the catalytic converter, and there are often 2 of them. Now, let's safely remove the sensor. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connector. It often has a small tab you need to press. Next, use your specialized oxygen sensor wrench. This tool is designed to fit perfectly and prevent damage to the sensor or exhaust pipe. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen the sensor. It might be a bit stiff, so apply steady pressure until it comes free. Handle the sensor gently once removed. With the sensor removed, it's time to clean it. Spray the tip of the sensor generously with your specialized oxygen sensor cleaner. Let it soak for about 10 minutes to break down carbon buildup. Then, use a soft bristled wire brush to gently scrub away any remaining deposits. Be careful not to damage the delicate ceramic element. Never use gasoline, brake cleaner, or other harsh solvents, as these can permanently ruin the sensor. Now, let's put everything back together. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the oxygen sensor. This prevents it from seizing in the exhaust pipe in the future. Carefully thread the sensor back into its port by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use your oxygen sensor wrench to give it a final snug turn, but do not over-tighten. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.